Hi, I'm Ben Andrews with Armstrong-Clark. Today, I'll show you how to get new and previously stained wood to look uniform using our oil-based wood stain. This redwood deck has been expanded, so we have new wood next to the old. The goal is to make the colors blend and to get them to protect against the elements. We're going to walk through a step-by-step process, both new and previously stained wood. Let's get after it.
Here are the supplies, tools, and personal protective gear that will be used for this project.
How to prep a new wood deck. How to test if new wood is ready to accept stain. All wood must be cleaned, including new wood. The surface must be cleaned and free of dust, dirt, mold, mildew, pollen, and moisture. Determine the appropriate cleaning chemical and method for cleaning your surfaces.
For this project, we are using a product called Safe Strip to clean and strip the surfaces.
Prior to application of stain, sprinkle water on your wood to test for absorbency. If water does not absorb into the wood within a few minutes, wait 1 month and retest. Consider sanding new smooth cut wood with 60 or 80 grit to help remove all mill glaze. Use a moisture meter to determine moisture content. Moisture must be less than 20% before applying stain.
For more information, see our product data sheet at our website at armclark.com.
How to prep a previously stained deck. All wood must be cleaned, including new wood. Surface must be clean and free of dust, dirt, mold, mildew, pollen, and moisture. Determine the appropriate cleaning chemical and method for cleaning your surface. If the wood was previously sealed with another brand's stain, those coatings will need to be removed. Unless it's an Armstrong-Clark oil-based wood stain, follow your previous brand's removal recommendation. If stripping is required, make sure to apply a brightener afterwards.
Today, we will be using Safe Strip to remove the previous stain and clean the surface.
If sanding, you may need to start with a low grit to remove that coating and then finish with a 60 or 80 grit. For more information, see our product TDS pages on our website at www.armclark.com. How to choose your color using our color samples. Use boards that are scraps from the job site if new construction. On previously stained or older surfaces, find an inconspicuous location to test the color prior to full application. Wait 48 hours to see the fully developed color. Use a brush, not a rag, when applying the sample. Always use a stir stick to stir the sample, including scraping the bottom of the can to get all pigment dispersed. How to apply stain. Always use a stir stick to thoroughly mix the stain, including scraping the bottom of the can to fully disperse the pigment. Even drill mixers don't always reach the pigment that settles at the bottom. Continue stirring every 20 minutes during application. Apply the stain in the direction of the wood grain, and once you start the board, don't stop in the middle. Finish all the way to the end of that board for the most even result. Do not apply with a rag, and do not wipe the stain after application. Instead, brush out any puddles before cleanup. After 24 hours, remove any remaining wet spots with a rag. Keep in mind, more is not better. Over-application can lead to rub-off or blackening from dirt, dust, or pollen, collecting in the oil that wasn't absorbed into the wood. All Armstrong-Clark colors can be applied to softwoods and can be applied using a natural bristle brush, stain pad, roller, or airless spray equipment, not garden sprayers. Rollers can risk over-application, and spraying may create uneven coverage. So, back brushing with a roller is required when using airless spray equipment. To avoid spontaneous combustion, remember to always wet your rags after use. And just like that, we're finished. And the deck looks amazing. Thank you for watching the video. To find out more about Armstrong-Clark's oil-based wood stain and get your free sample, go to www.armclark.com.